In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the corrupt data found. Please verify your installation error in Fortnite. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is open this PC. You can do that by double clicking on the desktop icon or searching for it in the search bar. Once you open it, what you want to do is open local disk C or the drive where you have Fortnite installed. So for me it's in local disk C. Now open program files, open the Epic Games folder, open the Fortnite folder, and click on engine, right click on it, click on delete. Now what you want to do is open the Fortnite game, click on binaries, right click on it, click on delete. Now click on persistent download directory, right click on it and delete it as well. Once you delete these files, you can close the folder, open the Epic Games launcher, click on the settings icon next to Fortnite and click on verify and let it finish. This might take some time, but after this your game will be fixed and you'll be able to play Fortnite. Don't worry, this won't mess up your game, and after you verify the Epic Games launcher, everything will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if it helped, and also if it didn't, then comment down below and I'm gonna try and help you. Thanks for watching again, and bye.